Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, we are going to explain about the production systems. The production system is a process, a system which is used to produce a goods or services. The systems are often involves multiple steps or the processes that must be completed in order to produce the final products. The production system may also involve automated machines or robotics that performs the same or all the steps in the production processes. Like previously, the human used to human beings, the employees are involved in this production system. Nowadays, the systems and robotics are involved. The production of the commodities or services that people depends on every day, it fulfills by the production systems, which are the essential components of the modern life. They are complex structure and with many components, but understanding them is essential for the businesses to success in today's competitive market. And in this video we are going to overview the production systems and how they works to get the products from the raw material to the finished products and ready for the sales. So the design and the operations of the production systems has been defined over time as the technology advances. Today, the factories are highly automated spaces where machines are interacted with each other without the human interventions. So while still the working towards the same goal, the producing the quality items efficiently and cost efficiently, the production system designers must consider the various stages involved in the making the production when designing these systems, including the sourcing raw materials, manufacturing process, packing, shipping, storage, and many more. So this video in this picture we can see that with an examine of different types of production systems available today and what are the process which involves input processes output. By getting the feedback from the different scenario, we can make the changes and have some alternative methods and improve the development of the production system. We'll also look at how the companies can use this information to improve their own operations by optimizing their current or the future production systems. By exploring all the aspects of the production system, design from layouts to the software applications, and it will give a valuable insights into how these important tools work and why they are so vital for the success of the business in today. What may mean by the production system is exactly the production model used for the product development and manufacturing is referred as to be a production system. So these are the various types of the production systems, such as engineering the production systems, marine environment and supply chain management, mass production, batch productions, continuous development. Each system has its own advantages and disadvantages depending on the applications it is being utilized for. The example, like the production system in a marine environment provides the year-old crop yield but require the significant resources to maintain the, whereas the engineering production system can create the product with the complex specifications quickly and efficiently with their production processes. The most common form of production system is known as a chain of productions that involves the stages from the design through the delivery taking place in the integrated manner, allowing the each systems like one by one, like their input, process, and output. By making this processes, the ultimately the production system will have the differentiations between what to do, how to do, and it have a system of productions. So this is a general scenario of the production systems in a organization which involves. Thank you.